Hi, I'm DJ Lexii. I'm 14 years old and I've been DJing for 2 years. My favorite type of music to play is most likely golden era hip hop. My funniest DJ story is this one time I didn't know what song I was playing and it turned out to be like a really weird song for the occasion. So it's like this retro hip hoppy type vibe. And I decided to play the song Nice Guy by Eminem. And it's not the cleanest song, I can say that. It was really awkward. Everyone else who was on stage with me, they kind of like ducked down and started to hide. Yeah, it was my last song of the set, so it's okay. When I grow up, I want to be a physiotherapist or a DJ. Both of them would work. Thank you, Table Tutors and DJ Relic, for helping me DJ. Bye.
Table Tutors.